Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 3, that is playing with numbers, in which in the previous lecture we have studied about what is LCM and how to find out it by the three methods, that is multiple method, prime factorization method, and in the last we studied about the division method. Okay, based on this there is exercise, that is exercise 3G, in which I am solving one questions of each for you. Now take a look at the question number 1, that is find first three common multiples of. That means you have to find common multiples, and but how many common multiples you have to find out? 3. Okay, so I am solving the question number 1 for you. So question number 1 here, 1 is 4 and 6. Okay, in our examples also I am taking the same example, 4 and 6. So the solution here, multiples of 4 is equals to, टेबल लिखेंगे 4 का, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26, 28, 24, 28, 32, 36, and so on. For the so on, you have to give the 3 dots. How many dots you have to give? 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? This will show you so on, because it will carry out with the no limit. Okay? Now the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is equals to, multiples of 6 is equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. Okay, so these are the multiples of 4 and 6. Now find out the common multiples. What are the common multiples? Thus, देखो 4 नहीं है, छोटे जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा उसके मल्टीपल से टैली किया करो. ठीक है, 4 को चेक करो, है नीचे? नहीं. 8 नो. 12 yes, 12 is there, so write it here 12. After 12 16 नहीं है इसमें, 20 नहीं है, 24 है, so we will write 24 here. After that 28 नहीं है, 32 है, नहीं है, 32 भी नहीं है, 36 yes, 36 is there, so we will write 36 here. Okay, so 1 2 3. So these are the multiples also. Okay, so thus 12, 24, 36 are the first three common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay, so if you have to find out the common multiples, write down the multiples for given numbers and then check which two numbers are coming in both the multiples and write it down. यहाँ पे बोला था 3, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 1 2 3 लिखे. ठीक है, अगर 2 बोलेगा when it is asking for only 2 multiples, write it down only 2. Okay, now what is your question number 2? Question number 2 is determine the LCM of each of the following. That means you have to find out the LCM in question number 2. Okay, so how to write it? So question number 2 is, question number 2, first question is 12 and 20. Okay, first question is 12 and 20. Okay, so I am using the division method here. So look at it. Okay, so because there is no method mentioning in your question, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में आपको कोई भी मेथड मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, तो आप किसी भी मेथड से बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे डिवीजन मेथड लेंगे. ओके, सो 12 and 20. Okay, now in the table of the 2, all the numbers are come, so we will write it here. After आप यहाँ 4 का टेबल भी ले सकते हो बिकॉज बोथ द नंबर्स आर कमिंग इन द टेबल ऑफ 4, ठीक है, आप ले सकते हो बट ऐसे नहीं करना, आप एक एक प्राइम नंबर्स के लिए जाओ, ठीक है। सो वी आर टेकिंग 2 हियर, सो 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20. After that again दोनों भी 2 के टेबल में आते तो लिखो 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, now divided it by 3 because 3 comes in the table of 3, so 3 1s are 3 and 5 नहीं आता है 3 के टेबल में तो 5 as it is. After that 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we will write 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. Now both the columns are same and we have to find out the LCM. So LCM, okay, so the LCM is equals to 2 multiply with the 2 multiply with the 3 and multiply with the 5. Okay, so it is 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15, so 4 into 15 that is equals to 60. So the LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. ठीक है, कैसे निकालते हैं? We have to do the division. कैसे चेक करते हैं? 12 और 22 के टेबल में आते हैं. Yes, so we will divide it by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Okay, again 6 and 10 दोनों भी 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. So 2 3s are and 2 5s are. After that 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. LCM कैसे निकालते हैं? जो लेफ्ट वाला कॉलम है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके. Okay. Now, after that, question number 3. Should I tell you the question number 4 also? Should I tell you the question number 4 of second question? Okay, let us look at it. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं इसका. Question number 4. Okay, what is your question number 4? 81 126. 81 126 and 135 to 50. 135 to 50. Okay. So write it here. Should I erase the exercise number? Okay. Now I am drawing the lines from here. 81. Then 126. Then 135 and then 250. ओके, तो अभी आपको किससे स्टार्ट करना है? किस नंबर से स्टार्ट करोगे? 2 से. यू हैव टू चेक इट बाय 2 फर्स्ट. ओके, सो 2 81 is not divisible by 2, so I will write it as it is. 126 is divisible by 2. I will write it 63 here. 135 is not divisible, so I will write 135 here. And 252 is divisible by 2, so I will write it here 126. क्या किए? जो डिवाइड होता है 2 से उन्हें डिवाइड करके क्वोशिएंट लिखे, जो डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं उन्हें हमने एज इट इज लिखे. अगेन डिवाइड इट बाय 2. योर आंसर इज these 3 numbers are not divisible by 2. All these 3 numbers are not divisible by 2, so we will not write anything. We will just copy it down as it is. 81 63 135, but 126 is divisible by 2, so I will write 63 here. Okay, now divide the numbers by 3. now जब आप 3 से डिवाइड करोगे 87 को तो ये हो जाएगा 27, 63 हो जाएगा 21, it is also 63, it will also become 21. now 135 is 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. again divide all these by 3. your answer is 3 9s are 27, 3 7s are 21, फाइंड इट आउट, अब चेक करना कि एक भी नंबर प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है क्या, फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर दैट इज 2। हाँ, यहाँ पे दो नंबर्स ऐसे थे जो 2 से डिविजिबल थे, दैट इज 126 एंड 252, तो हमने उन्हें डिवाइड किए और ये जो दो नंबर्स थे उन्हें एज इट इज रखे। ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप 126 is divisible by 2 again, so we will divide it by 2, remaining all the 3 as it is. So our answer is 63. Now all the 4 numbers are not divisible by 2, so I will go for the next prime number, that is 3. So when we are dividing the numbers by 3, our answer is 27, 21, 45 and 21. Again divided it by 3, answer is 9, 7, 15 and 7. Again divided it by 3, but when you are dividing, 7 is not divisible by 3, so our answer is 3 here, 7 as it is, 5 here and 7 as it is. Okay, so in this way you have to carry it out. So LCM is equals to, right here, LCM is equals to 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 7. Okay, so when we are multiplying all these, your answer is 11340. Okay, so the LCM of all these 4 numbers is 11340. Okay, in this way solve the question number 4. Now सेकेंड का फोर्थ ऐसे करते हैं, तो आपको अब 2 बचे हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3 which you have to solve. Okay, now question number 3. Now what is question number 3? Find the LCM of the denominators of the following fractions. आपको वहाँ पे कुछ फ्रैक्शंस दिए हुए हैं, आपको फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम निकालना है, न्यूमरेटर से आपको कोई कुछ नहीं करना है, you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so to find out the LCM of denominator, I am taking the question number 2 for this. Okay, the numbers are little bit big, so I am taking the question number 2. So question number 3, second. What are the numbers? Okay, 4 upon 65, then 13 upon 91, and then 1 upon 117. Okay, so find it out. So we will write it here: 65, 91 and 117. Okay, so 117 divided it by 3. It is not divisible by 3. It is also not divisible by 3, but 117 is. So it is 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Okay, आप जब से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको ये मिलेगा. Again divided it by 3. These two numbers are not divisible. So I will write it as it is. But 39 is, so 3 के टेबल में 39 आता है 13 times. Now next prime number is 5. So 5 से जब डिवाइड करोगे तो यहाँ आएगा 13. It is not divisible by 5 and it is again 13. Now all these numbers are not divisible by 5. So next prime number is 7. So divided by 7. 7 13 नहीं आता है, 7 के टेबल में 91 आता है 13 times, and here also 13. Now all these blocks are 13, so write it here 13. So 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13 and 13 1s are 13. Okay, first write down the solution here. क्या लिखोगे आप सॉल्यूशन में? यहाँ पे the denominators आप पहले लिख लेना, the denominators और क्या क्या थे डिनोमिनेटर्स हमारे? 65, 91 and 117. उसके बाद करना है डिवीजन मेथड एंड लास्ट में लिखना therefore LCM is equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. 5. ओके, सो द एलसीएम फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 4095. तो कैसे करना है आपको, पहले डिनोमिनेटर्स नोट डाउन करने हैं, डिवीजन मेथड से एलसीएम निकालना है और लिखना है लास्ट में, ठीक है। तो सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3G इन योर notebook. Okay, till remaining questions we are taking in our next lecture. Till then, bye, take care.